traders. This is Steve Gould, an associate analyst with Grok Trade. Today is Tuesday, December 21st, 2010, at about 5 o'clock p.m. Pacific time. And the chart that we're looking at today is crude oil. Crude oil hasn't really been doing a lot of anything the last month or so. It's kind of been in this trading range here. But I think that crude oil, this is my personal opinion, is going to make a final up move, and this is the reason I think it's going to happen. If we bring in the seasonals here, now crude oil truly has not been following its seasonals at all. But I always like to look at the seasonals because it gives you the tendency as to what happens this time of year. And typically, crude oil goes down in price from about September until December, and then kind of makes a little final upsurge here until the beginning of January, and then a down move, and then it makes a seasonal tendency to go higher from February until the summertime. Well, that didn't happen this year, but right now it is following its seasonal tendencies to go up. And if we look at this in like an Elliott wave formation, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're in the final 5 up move. Now, that doesn't mean it can't go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, but, typically moves go in approximately 5 waves. So it could be a 3 wave, it could be a 5 wave, it could be a 7 wave, 9 wave. Those are a little bit rarer. So we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And seasonally, it goes up until about the beginning of January. So that would correspond to what's going to happen here. Now, let's bring that seasonal back up for a second. And then we see that right around January, it goes down until February. Okay, you guys ready for this? If we bring up the weekly chart, what we have here is what's called the Commitment of Traders report. And the red line are the large speculators, hedge funds, blah, blah, blah. And the green line here are the commercials like oil companies and whatever. Commercials are very short. Hedge funds are very long. These guys are going to want to take a profit. And when you get over here, and there's no wide discrepancy, but when you are at extremes like you are here, they tend to go back to normal. So I'm thinking right around January. This is just speculation, but these lines are going to get closer together like they do right around here, and the commercials are going to take profits. And then I think the crude oil is going to go up quite a bit next year because everything that's going on with the world economy and commodities. So that's my opinion, and let's see how that plays out.